Good day viewers, welcome to POCOTO Online Tutor. On this lecture, I'm going to teach you on how to edit PDF files online. How to edit PDF file online easily. Remember to subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell for our new updates. Thank you. The first thing to do on this lecture in order to edit PDF file online is we need to look for PDF file we want to edit first. Let's download PDF file online. Let's download PDF file online. Let's go to sharemouse.com to download PDF file. To download PDF file, sharemouse to download PDF file. Download PDF file. Okay, let's download one PDF file. Let's click on PDF file to download. Let's click on this. Go to download PDF file for our lecture. Download PDF file. Download PDF file. Download PDF file. Yes, this is the PDF file I want to download. Click on download. Download. Yes. Download. Yes, PDF file has been downloaded. So what next to do is for us to now let's go to google.com. Remember, we are here to edit PDF file online. Edit PDF file online. Let's go google.com. Let's search for edit PDF file online. Here is what it brought us. So let's go to PDF online. So the next thing to do is go to sagedar.com. Click on easy to use online PDF editor. Click on here. Click on here. Yes, this is the site to edit PDF file online. So let's upload our document. Let's upload our document. Uploaded our document. Now here is our document. It has been uploaded. So the next thing to do is to edit. The next thing to do is to edit. So what I want to do is, let me add a text to this file, to this document. I can edit this. I can edit this. You can see I can edit this. Do you know what this? I want to edit this to different name. Then put share mouse. You can see that's one. I can edit this. Edit, change to any with mouse. Share mouse. You can see also edited. I can edit this. I can put text. I can edit this. I can edit the name. The name I can edit this. Let me edit this to sing. You can see I can also edit this. Then put by John. Hope you understand. I can edit all the documents. I can edit this, the name here. I can edit this to John. Hope you understand what I'm doing. Can edit this. Not Saint Gabriel special choir. You can change it. You can change it to any name you want. Maybe Charles. You can see edited. can put any name here. John. You can even put the website, your website here, www.google.com. You can see. Indeed, you can put link, you can put form, you can put image, you can sign, new sign. You want to sign now? You want to sign, new sign. Let's look for new sign. Let's John Gabriel. So you can look for any font you want here. For the signature, John Gabriel. I want to put this. You can see John Gabriel. That's signature. John Gabriel. Yeah, I want to put signature here. Sign John Gabriel. Yeah, you can see your signature. Annotation. You can annotate. You can put shape. This is more. You can put image. Let's find image or put any image. You can put anything. If it is form, you can put form. Here is form. You want to put large, big form, you can put form to any of the page. You can edit. You can put text. You can put link. You can put link here. Just put any link. Google.com. That's all. The link has been here. You can see Google link to google.com. You can put any link. Now, what else you need to do now is for you to apply changes. Then download your document. You can see. Simply edit any PDF online. Simply edit any PDF online. Test. Let's edit this back to the key. Music. That's it. Easy. Then click on change. Click on keep. You can see the task is processing now. Download. You can download it. Hope you understand what we just did. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell for new updates. Thank you.